What's up, guys? Welcome back. And in this video, we are gonna look at few other pairs. And this is a trade I took before this week. So it was in Euro AUD, and as you can see, we have a bearish market structure right here. Let me zoom out. So the market was making lower lows and lower highs. So this is smart money market structure, not your regular market structure. So I analyzed it in the 15-minute chart, and I saw the price was in a premium range. So I was looking to sell, so following the trend, and there was few key areas that I was looking at. This area was one key area, and also this one. And first, I looked at whether market structure shift on 5-minute chart before the trade, and as you can see, the market made higher highs and higher lows going to this market structure, and price rejected from this market structure and created the fair value gap right here. And before that, so this is the higher low, and price broke below the higher low, so the market shifted bearish, and I saw this fair value gap. Then I placed my order right in the fair value gap. As you can see, it played out nicely, like it went very slow, then a sudden drop. So it was a nice trade, 1-to-6 risk reward ratio. And also the price came back to that area and gave us another trade, but I didn't take it. As you can see, price rejected from this market structure, then came back down. Also, if we take a trade from here, we'll get a nice 1-to-6. So if I would enter in here, I would enter on this fair value gap right here. So let me show it to you. This one, if I get that, this fair value gap right here, as you can see, I would place my order right here, with a little amount of margin. Perfect. Then I would take the trade. As you can see, we could get a nice 1-to-8. So also you would have to look for market structure shift on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, price was making higher highs, higher lows, then structure became bearish, as you can see on right here. As you can see, there is a market structure right here, then price broke below, then manipulated this one and created the fair value gap. So the thing about smart money concept is that you have a higher risk to reward, like 1-to-6, 1-to-8, and you can lose a couple of trades in order to get this amount of risk to reward, and you will be still on the green. So this trade, I first entered on here, then I saw price broke through my stop loss and come into this next fair value gap. So I placed my trade here and I captured this trade, 1-to-6. So I lost one, then my overall risk to reward is 1-to-5. So I'm good with it. Then in the coming week, I'm looking at this pair, USD JPY. It was making high highs and high lows. So this is a buy trade. As you can see, price has created a nice range. So what I'm looking for is price to come to this discount area. So right now price is above the 50% range, and I want price to come back to this area. So in order for price to get to this area, price have to do a liquidity grab. Currently I can see a trend line built up right here. As you can see, there is trend line liquidity right here. So what price could do is grab this trend line liquidity, then come to this area or manipulate it, create a fair value gap, then maybe it could break this area too and come to this area right here, and price have to shift the market structure also, lower time frame structure, and price could go to the upside. So we have to look for a structure shift on 5-minute or 1-minute chart. And currently price is I think it's it's bullish currently, and the price have to break this low right here. Then price has to make a fair value gap. That's where we enter. So it would make up a good trade, and you can even hold the trade for like 2 days and get even nicer risk reward. But I don't recommend holding your trade for over 1 day. And if you can capture this trade early, you can hold it. You can see Tokyo highs is right around here. So price will manipulate the Tokyo highs too, then head to the downside. So looking at other pairs like AUD JPY, we can see as you can see, the price is in premium and the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So what we are looking for is price to do a structure shift and bounce off of these areas. So in order for price to head back down, price has to manipulate this trend line and get this trend line liquidity. Then price should head to the downside and reverse from one of these areas. So you would have to look for that. And if price comes all the way to this area or this area, you can get a nice risk reward ratio. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye, stay safe.